Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Yesterday it was class 12th subject Urdu paper that was held by board. Students were confused a little bit that whether it is a 40% concession or it's not. As per the board information, there is 40% concession and decision stands firm. Dear students, you need to attempt only 60. Moving beyond 60 would affect your overall gain. If you gain 60 out of 6, that would be proportionately raised to 100 and you will get 100 out of 100. And if you gain uh, 50, 45, 35, that would be raised proportionately to 100 as per the board information. But you need not to move beyond the 60% mark. Dear students, but the important thing is that you must remain busy with the books attached with the books in these days of exams so that you can crack these examinations with nice percentage of marks. Dear students, yesterday a student at about 7:30 p.m. called me. A student is enrolled in our school to make me learn once again the concept of Cuban Missile Crisis. Dear students, this Cuban Missile Crisis basically started in on October 16, 1962, and this crisis or the Cuban Missile Crisis is called also the October Crisis, and in Russia it is called Caribbean Crisis also. Dear students, the American intelligence agencies came to know that USSR is dumping missiles in Cuba or deploying missiles in Cuba, and it was thought by Americans that deployment of missiles in Cuba is threat to the Americans. From the Cuba, it is very easy to attack America. Even any city of America could be attacked from that very spot. So it was considered threat to the American security and many leaders of the world, and it was thought that this Cuban Missile Crisis would change Cold War into very hot war or the nuclear war. Or it was the moment when the Cold War was about to convert or about to change into hot nuclear war. During the Cold War period, both the superpowers, that is the USSR and the United States of America, developed nuclear weapons or prepared nuclear weapons, and the Cuban Missile Crisis was the moment when it was thought that this Cuban Missile Crisis would change the Cold War into hot nuclear war. Remember, it started on October 16, 1962, when Americans came to know that USSR is dumping missiles in Cuba, and from the Cuba, any city of America could be attacked very easily. Coming to know that deployment of missiles is going on in the Cuba, the Americans started checking the Russian ships and barriers were created, and before going to Cuba the Russian ships were checked. So the tension grew further and further. The tension was intensified because many were thinking, or it was thought from every corner, that it would change into the this nuclear war. And finally the negotiations came in. Negotiations came in. On the negotiation table things are always settled. So the Americans asked Russians to stop the further deployment of the missiles in Cuba. In response, or we can say, the Russia had in know that Americans had already dumped or developed or deployed missiles in Italy and Turkey. So when negotiations came in, the Americans were asked in these negotiations that America would never attack Cuba and also will not further deploy missiles in Italy and Turkey. Remember, students, the Cuban Missile Crisis started on October 16, 1962, when America came to know that Russia is dumping missiles in Cuba. And finally, this was the moment when Cold War was about to change into nuclear war, and negotiations were there. Negotiations finally held on 28th of October 1962. This Cuban missiles came to an end, and it was the first hard confrontation between the USSR and USA, the mighty superpowers. So the from 16th of October 1962 to 28th of October 1962, the period is considered the Cuban Missile Crisis period. Remember, when Americans came to know that Russia is deploying missiles in Cuba, they started barriers. They checked every ship that was going from Russia to Cuba, and finally, negotiations were held. The, both the countries came on the negotiation table, and it was finally agreed in negotiations that America would not attack Cuba or not harass Cuba or will not interfere in internal affairs of Cuba. After the Cuban crisis, there was the interference of America in Cuba. And further, it was uh, decided that America would not further deploy or dump missiles in Italy and Turkey. So on 28th of October, finally, the negotiations were held and this Cuban missile crisis came to an end. Dear students, remember on October 16, 1962, the Cuban missile crisis started when Americans came in to know that Russia is dumping missiles in Cuba. And finally, on 28th of October 1962, this crisis came to an end when negotiations were held. In negotiations, America agreed upon that it will not further deploy missiles in Italy and Turkey, and also the USSR agreed upon that it would not further deploy missiles in Cuba. So the world was at the point of war, hot war. It came to an end on 28th of October. Dear students, this is the brief. This is the very brief concept of the Cuban Missile Crisis. Hope you might have grasped the concept. In case of any confusion, you can forward your query by today or tomorrow. And better is to see these things on your available political science reference book so that you can grasp the concept well. Dear students, you have to remain busy with the books. You have to remain attached with the books in these days so that you can crack the examination with nice percentage of marks. Dear students, my prayers are always with you, but you must work hard in these days. Thanks. Be balanced.